The manual transmission was the original way of changing gears and stayed the most popular choice in sports cars, European sports coupes/sedans, and economy cars until the 1980s, when the automatic gearbox became more popular in those segments and offered better performance and economy. Many sports cars and supercars still use the manual gearbox in the 1990s and into the early 2000s, but many have ditched the manual for faster and more efficient torque converter, multi-clutch, and sequential automatics and semi-automatics. Today, the automatic transmission is the dominant offering in the motoring industry, from small subcompact hatchbacks to massive SUVs and pickup trucks and even exotic sports cars. Porsche 911 Sport Classic. The new Porsche 911 Sport Classic has been announced, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. As per usual, the Sport Classic is a special model of 911 which features some of the best bits from the current generation of 911 but also has some retro-inspired styling cues to add a bit of nostalgia. The 992 911 Sport Classic has the turbo's widened body, some special wheels, a ducktail spoiler, reminiscent of the 1973 911 Carrera RS, and a 3.7-liter flat 6 producing 542 horsepower, all going to the rear wheels only via Porsche's 7-speed manual. This makes the Sport Classic the most powerful manual transmission 911 currently on sale. Fantastic! Toyota GR Corolla. Toyota is on a roll with its Gazoo Racing sub-brand, churning out new models regularly. The newest one is the GR Corolla hatch, which promises to be one of the best hot hatches on the market. The GR Corolla uses the same 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-3 as in the pocket rocket GR Yaris, but gets improved engine exhaust efficiency and a 3-piece muffler to deliver 300 horsepower and 273 pounds-to-foot of torque. The power goes to all 4 wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission, the only option, and will feature a configurable GT4 all-wheel drive system, which has a drift mode. Nissan Z. The new Nissan Z is a highly anticipated car that launches somewhere in 2022 as a 2023 model year car. The Z gets a 3.0-liter twin turbocharged V6, producing 400 horsepower, and the vehicle will come standard with a 6-speed manual transmission. Unlike most manual sports cars, the Nissan Z has a reasonable starting price of $39,990, undercutting the Toyota Supra 3.0. Of course, adding options will raise the price, and we are yet to see what a fully spec Z will cost. Regardless, the new Nissan Z looks to be a great addition to the sports car market. BMW M2. Even though it shares bones with the standard BMW 2 Series, the M2 delivers impressive performance. The 2023 model turns the heat way up with a specially tuned chassis and a racier appearance. Like its predecessor, the new M2 comes standard with a 6-speed manual and rear-wheel drive. Under the hood of the M2 is the S58 twin turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine from the M3 and M4. It churns out 453 horsepower and 406 pounds-to-foot of torque, 20 horsepower lesser than the larger siblings, the M3 and M4. Toyota Supra. Shout it from the rooftops, the Toyota Supra is finally getting a manual transmission. Many argue that this should have been an option from the beginning, but we are still glad that Toyota has gone through with it. Strangely, the manual will only be available on the 3.0-liter straight 6, with the 2.0-liter 4 remaining automatic only. The manual conversion has caused a host of modifications to the car, including a new suspension setup and some alterations to the interior. The addition of the manual also includes a new A91 mount special edition, of which only 500 will be available for the US market. The manual Supra shows that Toyota has listened to its fans, and while this doesn't solve the issues which the Supra has many of, it is a step in the right direction. Better late than never. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.